Could your passions and Leonardo AI become the next big thing on YouTube? Today, we're diving deep into whether creating a YouTube channel dedicated to Leonardo AI is a smart move for content creators. We'll explore the exciting potential and the hurdles you might face. First up, audience interest. AI art tools are booming, and Leonardo AI is undeniably a powerful player. This means there's a hungry audience eager to learn how to harness its capabilities. They're looking for tutorials, tips, inspiration, and to see what's even possible with this technology. However, let's talk competition. As interest grows, so does the number of creators tackling AI art. You'll need to find your unique angle to stand out. Are you focusing on beginners, advanced techniques, specific art styles, or perhaps exploring the ethical implications of AI art? Platform opportunities are huge. YouTube thrives on educational content, creative showcases, and community building. A Leonardo AI channel can absolutely tap into this. Think about creating step-by-step tutorials, live art generation sessions, deep dives into specific Leonardo AI features, or even interviews with other AI artists. Sharing your knowledge authentically is key. Your journey of learning and experimentation can resonate deeply with others. Building a community around your content means engaging with comments, hosting Q&As, and fostering a space for fellow AI art enthusiasts to connect and grow. So, is it good to create a channel about Leonardo AI? The viability is high if you're passionate, prepared to be consistent, and willing to carve out your unique niche within the ever-evolving AI art landscape. If you're excited about Leonardo AI and enjoy sharing what you learn, this could be an incredibly rewarding content creation path. Go forth and create.